What's the meaning of barbarism? Barbarism. Barbarism.
Barbarism. Barbarism. Barbarism is a term that generally refers to a lack of civilization or culture. It can also refer to behavior considered uncivilized or violent, including acts of cruelty and destruction. In some cases, it may be used to describe the use of crude or primitive language or ideas. The concept of barbarism has been used in various historical contexts to describe groups of people who were seen as backwards or inferior by more dominant cultures. Today, the term is sometimes used in discussions of cultural relativism, as well as in critiques of violence or social injustice. Overall, barbarism connotes a sense of primitiveness or brutality.